guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to the world's biggest rainforest. Today I'm going to show you the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest is one of the Earth's wet biomes. It is green and full of life. More than 15 million kinds of plants and animals may live in its rivers, mountains, and valleys. Biomes are nature communities defined by their climate, land, features, and living things. Tropical rainforests lie by the equator. Half of them belong to the Latin America. This includes the Amazon rainforest, the world's biggest forest. More rainforests once existed on Earth, but loggers have cut many down for wood and farmland. How rude! Let us discuss about the climate in the tropical rainforest. All tropical rainforests have a warm climate. Temperature stays around 80 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. Every day has 12 hours of daylight, but trees shade the ground from sunlight. Everything stays wet in the rainforest. You can see the bird roaming around the wetland. The air is humid and dew collects on plants. Precipitation falls on most days. More than 100 inches of rain is possible in a year. 100 inches means 254 centimeters. Can you believe this, guys? Precipitation means water that falls to the earth from the sky. Top of a rainforest is called a canopy. Canopy means the top of a rainforest and the tallest trees in the rainforest form a canopy. Trees stretch 100 feet or more into the sky. Emergence reach even higher. The understory and forest floor are the middle and bottom layers. Some plants, like vines, climb trees to find sunlight. Ferns and orchids grow on tree trunks and branches to get sunlight. Many plants hold rainwater with their waxy leaves. In rainforest, many animals use camouflage to blend in with trees and flowers. Camouflage is a way of using color to blend in with surroundings. Both hunters and the hunted want to stay hidden. Isn't it so funny? Poisonous animals are often often bright red or yellow. Their colors warn others to stay away. Tree dwellers have strong legs to climb, jump, or hang from branches. The Amazon rainforest is mainly located in South America, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, and Ecuador. The size is 2.3 million square miles. Largest tropical rainforest in the world. The other important animals who live here are spider monkeys, macaw, toucans, capybaras, and some poisonous frogs. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want more videos, I want more subscribers, please.